This manual pull-down screen from Elite Screens delivers a crisp, bright image that flatters high-definition and high-dynamic range projectors in a typical living room or office. The 80-inch diagonal size with a 16 by 9 format feels cinematic without overwhelming smaller spaces, making it a comfortable fit for apartments, classrooms, or conference rooms. Its matte white surface with a wide viewing angle and fully black back design helps maintain uniform brightness and contrast even when there is some ambient light in the room. The sturdy metal housing and smooth auto-locking mechanism give the screen a solid, reliable feel and make it easy to stop at different heights for various aspect ratios. Dual mounting options for wall or ceiling, along with the pull cord for higher installs, make setup straightforward for most do-it-yourself users. Long warranty coverage, safety certifications for indoor air quality, and lifetime technical support add extra peace of mind for anyone planning to use this screen regularly.